Mr. Sculpt Gorilla Bar. It promises to help you build a stronger, more defined body with just 15 minutes of training a day. Sounds pretty legit, right? Especially with that 5-star rating on the site and nearly 50% off. But before you add it to your cart, let's dig a little deeper and see if it's worth your time, or if it's just clever marketing. So I started by checking the site's background, and here's the first red flag. The domain was only registered in December 2024, which means it's a very new site. That doesn't automatically mean it's a scam, but when a brand is this fresh and is already making big promises, it raises an eyebrow. Now here's something that caught my attention. They list their business address as 58115 Samet Dar, Kentucky, but when I looked it up on Google Maps, it leads to an unrelated ink and stamp store. That's a huge transparency issue. If a company isn't even showing up at its address, how can we trust them? There is one positive note, though. The product is available on Amazon. That adds a small layer of credibility, since Amazon usually has some basic checks in place for sellers. Now let's talk about the claims they're making, like total body training and faster strength gains. Sounds awesome, right? But here's the thing. There's zero scientific backing on the site. No expert endorsements, no studies, nothing. Just bold marketing language and a whole lot of hype. And about those glowing before and after pictures on their website, they look impressive, sure. But when we ran a reverse image search, we found that those images are being used on multiple other sites, which suggests they might be stolen or fake. That's a major red flag. I also checked out Trustpilot, and the company has a 3.7-star rating based on 4 reviews. Let's break that down. On the positive side, one user said they were super happy with the Gorilla Bar after just a few weeks. They loved the solid build quality, how versatile it is for full-body workouts, and even mentioned that the instructional video helped them get the most out of it. Another user said it gave them a serious chest pump in just 15 minutes a day, and that they received the product in about 8 days. So far, so good. But not everyone had a great experience. One user complained that after ordering the bar through a Facebook ad, the company claimed there was a shipping error, even though they used their usual address. They never got the product, and when they asked for a refund, it was denied. Not a good look when it comes to customer service or accountability. So is Mr. Sculpt Gorilla Bar legit? Honestly, it's a mixed bag. On one hand, some users seem genuinely happy with their results. On the other, there are some pretty sketchy signs, like the brand new website, an untraceable business address, and possibly fake reviews or photos. If you're thinking about buying it, just be cautious. Maybe wait until the brand builds a better reputation, or at least do more research before making a decision. That's it for today. If you've come across this product or even tried it yourself, let me know what your experience was like in the comments. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you want more honest reviews like this. Catch you in the next one.